Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Ocean Eden Bay, an adults-only paradise nestled along the pristine shores of Montego Bay, Jamaica. This five-star resort is the epitome of Caribbean elegance, offering a perfect blend of modern sophistication and laid-back island vibes. So, grab your virtual passport, and let's explore this tropical haven together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Ocean Eden Bay doesn't mess around when it comes to rooms. They've got a smorgasbord of options that'll make you feel like royalty on vacation. Picture this. You wake up in a spacious standard room, step out onto your private balcony, and boom, you're greeted by a postcard-perfect ocean view that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. But wait, there's more. For those who like to live life on the edge of a pool, that is, the swim-out rooms are a game-changer. Imagine rolling out of bed and straight into crystal-clear waters. It's like having your own private oasis right outside your door. And if you're feeling extra fancy, the two-story rooftop suites are where it's at. These bad boys come with private jacuzzis that'll have you feeling like a celebrity in no time. No matter which room you choose, you'll be living it up with all the modern amenities you could want. We're talking air conditioning, because let's face it, Caribbean heat is no joke. Wi-Fi for all your social media needs, flat-screen TVs for those rare moments when you're not soaking up the sun, and minibars stocked with goodies. Oh, and did I mention the rain showers? It's like showering in a tropical rainstorm, minus the mud and potential wildlife encounters. Now let's talk grub, because let's be real, food is half the reason we go on vacation, right? Ocean Eden Bay doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. They've got a lineup of restaurants that'll take your taste buds on a world tour without ever leaving the resort. First up, we've got the Senses Dinner Show Restaurant. This place is like dinner and a show had a baby, and that baby grew up to be a culinary superstar. You'll be treated to international cuisine that's as much a feast for your eyes as it is for your stomach, all while enjoying themed performances that'll keep you entertained between bites. For those romantic souls out there, Blue Moon is where you want to be. It's a kind of place where you can gaze into your partner's eyes over a candlelit dinner and pretend you're the only two people in the world. And if you're craving some authentic Caribbean flavors, the Beach Restaurant has got you covered. Picture yourself digging into some jerk chicken with your toes in the sand and the sound of waves in the background. Pure bliss, am I right? But wait, there's more. The resort is dotted with bars, including poolside spots where you can sip on tropical cocktails without ever having to leave the water. It's like they read our minds and created the perfect vacation drinking scenario. And for those nights when you're feeling a bit more adventurous, the regular entertainment programs at Senses Dinner Show Restaurant will keep you dancing long after the sun goes down. Speaking of water, let's dive into the pools and beaches situation at Ocean Eden Bay. This place is basically a water lover's dream come true. They've got not one, but two massive outdoor pools that'll make you feel like you've died and gone to aquatic heaven. The main adults-only pool is where all the action happens. It's got a swim-up bar, which means you can order your piña colada without ever having to leave the water. Talk about efficient vacationing. And if you're feeling extra fancy, the Privilege Club gives you access to even more pools. It's like a Russian nesting doll of pool options. But let's not forget about the beach. Ocean Eden Bay is sitting pretty on a stretch of white sandy beach that'll make your heart skip a beat. The turquoise waters of Montego Bay are right at your doorstep, inviting you to take a dip or try out some water sports. And the best part? It's all exclusive to hotel guests, so you won't have to fight for a spot on the sand. They've even thrown in complimentary, non-motorized water sports, so you can kayak or paddleboard to your heart's content without worrying about your wallet. Now, if you're the type who likes to stay active on vacation, props to you, by the way. Ocean Eden Bay has got you covered. Their fitness center is equipped with all the latest gear to keep your workout routine on track. You can pump iron, hit the treadmill, or join a fitness class if you're feeling social. But let's be real, the real star of the show is the Despacio Spa Center. This place is like a sanctuary of relaxation, where all your stress melts away faster than ice cream on a hot Jamaican day. They offer a range of treatments that'll have you feeling like a new person. Massages that'll unknot muscles you didn't even know you had, facials that'll make you glow brighter than the Caribbean sun, and body wraps that'll leave your skin softer than a baby's bottom. And let's not forget about the jacuzzi sessions, sauna, and steam rooms. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book, but every choice ends with you feeling utterly blissed out. One of the coolest things about Ocean Eden Bay is that even though it's an adults-only paradise, you're not limited to just the amenities on site. Guests get full access privileges to the adjacent family-friendly Ocean Coral Spring Resort. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You get the peace and tranquility of an adults-only resort, but with the option to pop over and enjoy even more facilities if the mood strikes. It's perfect for those days when you want to change of scenery or to try out a different restaurant. Now let's talk about what's happening outside the resort, because as amazing as Ocean Eden Bay is, Jamaica has a whole lot to offer. Within about a 20 kilometers radius, you've got some seriously cool attractions. There's Doctor's Cave Beach, which is famous for its crystal clear waters and is only about 15 kilometers away. History buffs will love the Rose Hall Great House, a historic plantation house that's rumored to be haunted, spooky, and educational. What more could you want? For a bit of adventure, you can head to Martha Brae River for some scenic rafting. And if you're in the mood for some retail therapy or want to experience the local nightlife, the Hip Strip is just a short trip away. The best part? The hotel can hook you up with transportation to all these spots, so you don't have to worry about navigating Jamaican roads on your own. Let's take a moment to appreciate the overall vibe of Ocean Eden Bay. This place is the new kid on the block in the world of Jamaican resorts, and it's making quite the splash. The modern design blends seamlessly with the Caribbean setting, creating an atmosphere that's both luxurious and laid back. It's the kind of place where you can lounge by the pool in your designer swimwear, sipping a cocktail, and feel like you're living your best life. The staff here are like mind readers, always one step ahead of your needs. Whether you're looking for a late-night snack or need recommendations for the best local attractions, they've got you covered. Now, no review would be complete without mentioning a few areas where there might be room for improvement. Some guests have mentioned that during peak seasons, it can get a bit crowded, which might impact the peaceful atmosphere. And while the spa is fantastic, a few people have noted that they'd love to see an even wider range of treatment options. But honestly, these are minor quibbles in the grand scheme of things. What really makes Ocean Eden Bay stand out is its commitment to creating a truly adult-focused experience. This isn't just a hotel that doesn't allow kids. It's a resort that's been designed from the ground up with adult relaxation and enjoyment in mind. From the tranquil atmosphere to the sophisticated dining options and the focus on couples activities, everything here screams grown-up getaway. For those of you who need to mix a little business with your pleasure, Ocean Eden Bay has got you covered. While they're not shouting about it from the rooftops, the resort does offer some sleek conference facilities. So, if you need to host a meeting or a small corporate event, you can do it in style. Just imagine wrapping up your presentation and heading straight to the beach. Now that's what I call a productive workday. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.